It's a 2008 Chevy Impala with a 3.5 engine. I'm going to be removing the power steering pump. I've taken off the engine cover. It's a 3500 engine. I've taken off the wire. This connector here that goes into the power steering pump. I've also taken off this clip here to get the wire out the way. And then I remove the coolant reservoir. Set that to the side and remove the serpentine belt. The tensioner down here, right here. Put a 3/8 breaker bar in there, and you can turn the tensioner loose. So now I'm taking off the three bolts that hold the power steering pump in. That's one of them. Two. Okay, what I've done is I've removed the this top tensioner, and this bracket, so I can get a clear shot at the hoses here in this corner. I've also installed my special service tool, the power steering pulley puller and installer tool. And well, this particular tool takes this bolt here is took a 5/8, and this one took a 21mm wrench, and it pulls this pulley here. Okay, you can see that shiny part back there. That's the power steering pump. The pulley has pulled the tool has pulled the pulley off of the pump. So, take the tool off. And take off the pulley. So here, all that's left is just the pump. These two hoses here. I believe the pressure hose takes a 5/8. I'll fit this on here. Yeah, it takes the 5/8. And the return hose just has that little clamp on there. Take that clamp off, and the hoses will be removed. There's no power steering fluid in here, in this one, so I don't have to worry about siphoning the fluid out of here. But okay, I finally got the hard one with this this return hose. It was stuck on there pretty good. Might have managed to get it off. The return hose there, the clamp on it. The pressure hose, I took the O-ring off of there when I removed it. You have to get the pump. It sits right here, out of position, and you can pull the pressure hose. It's the pressure line. You can pull that out off of the pump. And this is the pump with reservoir removed. So I'm waiting for the owner to come back with the new one. Okay, this is the new power steering pump with reservoir in position. I've got the those 3 bolts and the pressure hose hand tightened in there. I'm going to tighten these 3 bolts. 2, 3 right here. Tighten those. Tighten down the pressure line right here. And put on the return line. This right here. And then I'll be able to screw on the pulley with the special tool. This here. You screw this into the pump, and this part here. Alright, I've got the both the hoses on, pressure and return hose. I got the pulley in place. Using the service tool. Screw it this way, and it pushes the pulley onto the pump. Okay, I'm removing the tool now so you can see it onto how it looks on the pump. And this is the okay. Here's the serpentine belt installed. I put the pulley on. This pulley here. Put this bracket on too. Right here. And this is the I use the extension bar on here with a socket so I can move the tensioner into position to get the serpentine belt on. So after this, all that's left is just bolt down this battery, this fuse box, and put the coolant reservoir in place. Start it up.